Welcome everyone to your channel Competitive Pedia. Today we are going to discuss current affairs regarding 1st of January 2022. So let's begin with the session. First of all guys, Happy New Year 2022 to all of the aspirants who are watching this video. May in this new year all your wishes come true and God bless you all. So let's begin with the session. Our first question, who has become the fastest Indian wicketkeeper to take 100 wickets in Test cricket, leaving behind Mahendra Singh Dhoni? So your answer is option A, Rishabh Pant. Clear? So now, in the Test series which was played against South Africa, Indian wicketkeeper Rishabh Pant has recently overtaken Mahendra Singh Dhoni to become the fastest Indian wicketkeeper to take 100 wickets in Test cricket. Now, Rishabh Pant has achieved this feat in his 26th Test match, while Mahendra Singh Dhoni had taken 100 wickets in 36 matches. Okay. Next question, which of the following Bollywood actress has been named PETA India's 2021 Person of the Year? Okay, so your answer is option C, Alia Bhatt. Okay, and the full form of PETA is People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals. Clear? So here it is, Bollywood actress Alia Bhatt recently named as PETA India's 2021 Person of the Year award for her work in support of animal friendly fashion industry. Okay, and she has also recently invested in Fool. It is a company behind Fleather, which makes vegan leather from flowers which are thrown at the temple. Clear? Next question, who has been recently elected by the International Automobile Federation to succeed Jean Todt as the first non-European president? So your answer is option A, Mohammed bin Sulayem. Clear? So, the International Automobile Federation has recently elected Mohammed bin Sulayem of UAE, United Arab Emirates, to succeed Jean Todt as the first non-European president. Okay, so he has succeeded Jean Todt. Okay, and this International Automobile Federation is the governing body of Formula One, World Rally Championship, World Endurance, and Formula E series. Clear? Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has recently inaugurated how many kilometer long completed section of Kanpur Metro? So your answer is option B, 5 kilometer. Clear? Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has recently inaugurated the 9-kilometer long completed section of Kanpur Metro. The service of metro will start between IIT Kanpur and Moti Jheel. Okay, the entire length of this Kanpur metro rail project is 32 km and it is been built at a cost of over rupees 11,000 crore. And the answer of this question was not 5 km, it was your 9 km. Clear? So, next question, which communication satellite has been recently launched by Japan from Tanegashima Space Center via Mitsubishi Heavy Industries HA-204 rocket? So, the correct answer of this is Inmarsat 6F1. This is your correct answer. Okay. So, Japan has recently launched Inmarsat 6F1 communication satellite from Tanegashima Space Center via Mitsubishi Heavy Industries HA-204 rocket. Now, it will enter the geostationary orbit about 22,240 miles above the Earth, and it is the world's largest and most sophisticated commercial communication satellite till date. Clear? Now, name the person famous for He-Man artist and toy designer who passed away recently. So the answer for this question is option B, Mark Taylor. Clear? So here it is. Mark Taylor was famous for He-Man artist and toy designer, and he has recently passed away. He began his career as a packaging designer with Mattel in 1976. No. Business Line editorial advisor Aarti Krishnan has been included as a member of which committee? Your answer is option D, SEBI. Clear? Now, Aarti Krishnan, editorial advisor of Business Line, has recently been inducted as a member of SEBI on mutual funds. Now, there are 24 members in this committee, and this committee will suggest necessary measures to make the legal framework of mutual funds transparent and simple for investors and constituents. Clear? Now, IAS Praveen Kumar has been recently named as the Director General and CEO of which institute? So your answer is option A, Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs. This is the correct answer. Clear? Now, IAS Praveen Kumar has recently been named as the Director General and CEO of Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs. And the proposal to set up this institute, the name of which is Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs, was approved by the Planning Commission in the year 2007. Okay, it is a static part. You may remember this. Now, which institute has secured the first position in the ARIA 2021 awards list, which is released by the government? So your answer is option B, IIT Madras. Clear? Now, IIT Madras has secured the first position for the third time in a row in Atal Ranking of Institution 2021 awards list on innovation achievement released by the government. Now, top 10 institutes are as follows. First is IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Roorkee, IIT Kanpur, IIT Kharagpur, and Indian Institute of Science and IIT Hyderabad. Now, scientists of which University of Switzerland have recently discovered a new layer of human jaw muscles? So your answer is option D, University of Basel. Clear? And it is in Switzerland. So, scientists from the University of Basel in Switzerland have recently discovered a new layer of human jaw muscles, and this third layer has been proposed to be named Musculus masseter pars coryndia. Okay, please keep this name in mind. So guys, this was for the day. Thanks for watching the video till the end. If you like our video and our channel, please do subscribe it and share with your friends. Happy learning from the team Competitivepedia. May God bless you all. And once again, thank you for watching this session.